everyone. Today I'm going to read you guys a story called Wacky Wednesday. My name is Samantha. I'm Mr. Wacker's niece. Okay. It all began with a shoe on the wall. A shoe on the wall? That shouldn't be there at all. Then I looked up and I said, "Oh man!" And that's how Wacky Wednesday began. I looked out the window and I said, "Gee, more things were wacky." And I saw 3. I went down the hall and said, "Hey, there were more things were wacky today." In the bathroom, more! In the bathroom, 4! I began to dress, then said, "Wow, 4 more things were wacky now." I looked in the kitchen. I said, "By cracky, 5 more things are very wacky." I was late for school. I started along. I saw that 6 more things were wrong. And then 7 more. And the Surthland sisters, they looked wacky too. They said, "Nothing is wacky around here but you." "But look," I yelled, 8 things are wrong here at school." "Nothing is wrong," they said. "Don't be a fool." I ran into school. I yelled it to Miss Bass. "Look, 9 things are wacky right here in our class." "Nothing is wacky here in my class. Get out. You're the wacky one. Out," said Miss Bass. I went out the school door. Things were worse than before. I couldn't believe it. 10 wacky things more. Then I counted 11. Then 12 worse things. I got scared and I ran. I ran and knocked over Patrolman McGann. "I'm sorry, Patrolman." That's all I could say. "Don't be sorry," he smiled. "It's the kind of day. But be glad, Wacky Wednesday will soon go away." "Only 12 things more will be wacky," he said. "Just find them and you can go back to bed." Can you find the 12 things? Wacky Wednesday was gone. When I counted them all, I even got rid of that shoe on the wall. And that's the end of our book. Thank you for listening. Bye.